Welcome guys to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be learning how to fix our search bar not showing or search option missing right here in our Windows 11. So as you can see, I cannot get my search bar here on my taskbar. So all what you have to do is to come here and just right click on your taskbar and go to taskbar settings, and next thing to do is to locate our search here right in our taskbar. So as you can see this here, this is our search, and what it's saying here is hide. So click on this hide, and what you have to do is to click on search box. So you can set it as search box or set anyone you want, search icon only, then click on search icon and label, but I like a search box. So for example, if I go ahead, so you can see it here, it's activated here, and can see my search box is showing, and I can go ahead now to search for whatever I want to search here on my PC. So this is how to get the issue solved. If you see having more issues, comment right down in the comment section. I'm going to be replying to your comments. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.